number 39, S located 15 to 20 minutes from Clea, and has lots of fun slides. There and number 39, S also children and number 39, S area, so my 6-year-old daughter had a great time. Have fun with kids and nice holiday. Family trip with Kira. Everything properly planned. Clean place and user-friendly. Every project is very interesting. You Don and number 39, T have to queue up on weekdays. The longest time is only 5 to 10 minutes. But the only disadvantage is that there are fewer projects. It and number 39, S good and fun. I will go again. I can recommend it to everyone who wants to play. Day and number 39, S ticket purchasing system is very convenient and user-friendly, making it effortless to use. When searching and selecting activities, the information is clear and easy to make a decision. The payment process is also very smooth, supporting multiple payment methods for easy user selection. After receiving the confirmation, the information is also timely, and the instructions on the day of the event are also very detailed. The overall experience is very satisfactory, and it is highly recommended to friends who like to travel and experience new activities, making your travel easier and more enjoyable. Spending time with your family and enjoying various of slide of fun. The park has indoor and outdoor parking lots for parking, big enough and new enough. There is a big boat on the artificial beach, very beautiful, but unfortunately when people do not have artificial huge waves. Food in the garden will not be particularly expensive, acceptable prices. Will come again if I have the chance. The facilities are new and clean. Most of them are visited by locals. I highly recommend everyone to come and play. As the theme park is new, all rides and facilities are clean. They accept both cash and cashless transaction throughout. Except for the locker, cashless only. The zipline is not open yet though. But the rest of the thrilling rides with little or no queue at all compensate that heavily. Hands down, best experience so far. There were many kinds of water slides and I could enjoy all day long. The staff will also enjoy it together. It and number 39, S worth the money, the family had a great time, and we can go again next time. Most of the water slides are very fun, but the two most wanted to play are not open. It is a pity that the staff are very friendly and the lifeguards are well arranged.